Hey there guys, please Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily transfer your crypto from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. So the most important thing is when you're going to use crypto.com or whatever and you want to transfer, don't transfer everything at once. Transfer first 5% of your amount of crypto that you want to transfer and then transfer everything else. That's really important because you're going to save money that way and you're not going to lose money. So what does it mean is that, yes, the fees are going to be a little bit higher, but you are going to not risk that you will lose literally everything. Because many people send everything straight away, they lose the money and they're like, Mamma mia, what should I do, right? So you don't want to be like that. Now, how to send crypto from crypto.com? The first thing you want to do is just be in Spot Wallet. So go to Wallet, Spot Wallet, click on it. And then we're going to see the coin Bitcoin here. And then I'm going to click here and choose withdraw. Now, withdraw Bitcoin, please select a withdrawal destination. And I'm going to choose external wallet address, click select. Then we're going to see the wallet address here, crypto, and amount what you want to withdraw. I will click here, add a withdrawal address. You can transfer whatever coin you want. I'm going to see the coin, address, and a label. So now I will go to like my application on, I have it on Explorer. I can use my app just directly on my computer. So what you need to do when you're in an app on mobile, you want to click here and click here receive on your wallet. Then click Bitcoin and then just copy this code here and paste it in address. And then just like enter your 6-digit verification code and just have it as a Trust Wallet and just enter the verification code and voila, here you got it. So Trust Wallet, and then I would just send first 5% of I want to send, and that's pretty much it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, but this is pretty much how we can actually withdraw from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.